Would you believe this is jackfruit? These wings are 100% vegetarian, super crispy and packed with flavors. Let's make it together. If you have never cooked with raw jackfruit before, don't worry, it is easier than it looks. It's just difficult to peel out the raw jackfruit from all those unwanted fleshes in the jackfruit, but once it is taken out, then it is very easy to make. You have to just clean it and add all the masalas and the ingredients shown in the video, and then you can easily prepare the wings. You don't have to boil the jackfruit, you can directly fry it in the pan. I like to spice it up little desi style flavors, so I have used chili powder and also little Italian spices like oregano, garlic powder, ginger powder and little bit of pepper powder to have the combination of that Indian masalas and also a touch of some Italian flavors. So the real challenge here is to coat the jackfruit in the flour. So ensure that the batter is nice and thick so that it just gets coated in the raw jackfruit. You can air fry or bake, or both works great. No oil splashes are required, or like me, you can deep fry it and you can enjoy the wings. Crispy outside, tender inside, these jackfruit wings are a total game changer. Try them once and you won't miss chicken at all. And this sauce, sweet, spicy, garlicky, I have used here the Smoky Barbecue Sauce and chili sauce, Schezwan Chilli Sauce. You can use any kind of sauce. You can use buffalo sauce, or you can use Asian style sauce, whatever is your preference. Make sure it is in this color to get that the color of the wings as you have seen in the chicken wings. So it takes the wings to a whole new level when you toss it in that hot sauce, and it's just amazing. You can serve this wings with nice Schezwan fried rice, and the combination is too good. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more veg food with a twist. So see you in the next episode. Until then, happy eating. Bye bye.